Hey Punch Fitters, this is Chris Hunter, owner of Punch Fit, and I have another great heavy bag workout for you today that can be done with or without any equipment. And if you're new to this channel, we cover everything related to combat fitness that includes workouts, tutorials, self-defense, product reviews, and nutritional advice. So if that's what you're looking for, then you have found your channel. So become a part of the Punch Fit community, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell so that you don't miss a single video. All right, enough talk. Wrap your hands, grab your boxing gloves, meet me over by the heavy bag because this workout is starting now. Hey Punch Fitters, Chris Hunter, super excited about today's workout. We're gonna get started here in about 10 seconds with a light warm up. On the beep, we're gonna start with jumping jacks, and we're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. Let's get the body nice and warm and ready for this workout. All right, gonna be here for a couple more seconds. Good. From here, feet are shoulder width apart, hands are on a tabletop, bring the heels up and rotate. We're waking up the trunk as well as the ankles here. Good. I want you to pretend like there's a shelf off to the ceiling here and you got to reach for something. So really reach for it. Feel the stretch in the bicep, feel the stretch in the lat. Good. Off to the side now. And down at the floor. Work your way back up. Good. Arms are out, small circles. Got to get those shoulders primed and ready to go. A little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Good. All the way. And from there, switch directions. A little bit bigger. Good. All right, here we go, all the way. All right, from here, what I want you to do is get into your fighting stance. So square up to your bag, and right now we're just moving in and out. Don't forget the fundamentals. Basically, wherever I end up in relation to the bag, my feet are always the same distance apart. From here, every time I strike, elbow runs parallel to the ground, wrist snaps out at the last second. I keep my chin tucked, and I exhale after every strike. When that front foot hits the ground, throw the jab. Good. Now throw the cross, jab, cross. Good. Jab, cross. Think about snapping that hip every time you throw the cross. Put your weight behind the strike. Cross. Good. Jab, cross. And then exhale. Good. Awesome. Now make some distance from the bag. And what you're going to do is we're going to put a series of movements together. The first one is going to be an air squat. Feet shoulder width apart. Hands are in, elbows are in so they don't run into your legs as you go down. Exhale as you go down, or inhale as you go down. Exhale as you come up. Next, turn that into a sprawl. Hands go down to the ground. Feet go wide. Bring your knees up to your elbows and get back into a fighting stance. From there, bring your feet together. Do one push-up. Feet go wide for a plank jack. They come back in, come up. Now I've got 3 seconds left. Straight punches. Good, and time. All right, so that was our first round. Go ahead and grab a sip. You earned it. So the next movement that we're gonna do is we're gonna start, put my glove back on here. We're gonna start with a jab, jab, cross. We're gonna start with that, then we're gonna add on. So then we're gonna do a short lead hook, rear uppercut, lead hook. Now, the difference between the short hook and the lead hook is the position of your palm. When I do the short hook, elbow is high, palm is facing at the ground. When I do the lead hook, palm is facing me, elbow is even with my shoulder. They each have their own different ways of using them. And we're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. So again, we're gonna start with a jab, jab, cross. Here, pop, pop, cross. Now I'm gonna work at a medium pace so that I can still coach you through the workout, but what I need you to do is keep up with me. If you feel that you can go a little faster, don't hold back. Keeping my chin tucked, pop, pop, boom, pop, pop, boom. Jab, jab, cross, jab, jab, cross, jab, jab, cross. Good. Now, let's go ahead and add on to that combination. So far, we have our jab, jab, cross. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the short hook, uppercut, lead hook. Now again, when somebody protects when they protect their face here, and if they don't have a good guard, their chin is open. So I want to use that short hook to get in that space. So we're gonna do jab, jab, cross. Then from here, short hook, uppercut, lead hook. Ready? Boom, boom, boom. Elbow goes high, uppercut, hook. When you feel good with the combination, speed it up. Good. Boom, boom, boom. Get a tempo in your head. Jab, jab, cross. Short hook, uppercut, hook. Jab, jab, cross. Short hook, uppercut, hook. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Good. Now from here, I'm gonna have you step away from the bag, and we're gonna add 1 rep to that sequence for every movement. It looks like this: 2 air squats, 1, 2, then from there 2 sprawls, feet go wide, come back up. Now on the second one, stay down, bring your feet together, and turn it into 2 push-ups. 1, 2, then from there, 2 plank jacks. 1, 2. Come up, we still have 23 seconds left, go back to that combination. So it looks like this: jab, jab, cross, short hook, uppercut, lead hook. Boom, 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 boom. Good. And time. Fantastic job, guys. Super proud of you. Thank you for staying with me on that one. Grab a sip. Enjoy the break. Now, the next combination that we're gonna do, it's gonna start with a jab cross hook. And it looks like this. I go jab, cross, hook. Then from there, I'm gonna slip towards my last punch, which was my hook. So I slip left, and then I go left uppercut, right cross, left hook. So again, it's jab, cross, hook, slip left, left uppercut, right cross, left hook. We're going in 10 seconds. Make your way back to your bag. We're just gonna start with the jab cross hook though. And it's gonna look like this: 3, 2, 1. Jab, cross, hook, reset. Boom, boom, boom. Now, if you feel that your fitness level is better than what we're doing here, you can add the intensity by working the bag. So jab, cross, hook, side step, jab, cross, hook, side step. Yes, that adds a whole nother level of intensity once you add the movements. If you're new, just do the jab, cross, hook. Boom, boom, boom. Get good at the fundamentals before you worry about a bunch of movement and different things like that. Jab, cross, hook, jab, cross, hook, jab, cross, hook. As you feel good with combination, speed it up. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add on to that. Right now we have our jab, our cross, our hook. I want to slip left, and then from here I'm going to go lead uppercut, right cross, left hook. Jab, cross, hook, slip left, lead uppercut, right cross, left hook. Let's go together and do it on the bag. Jab, cross, hook, slip left, lead uppercut, right cross, left hook. I love when I do this slip. It puts my glove in the perfect spot to come back with that uppercut, cross, hook. Jab, cross, hook, slip, lead uppercut, cross, hook. Good. Jab, cross, hook. As you get better with the combination, speed it up. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add on, what round am I in? Am I in 3? 2. So we're going to go ahead and add 2 to everything. So it looks like this.
3.
Oh, we're in 3?
Yes.
All right, we're going to do 3 of everything. 3 air squats. 1, 2, 3. Workout's so good, I'm losing my mind. 3 sprawls. Come up. Thank you, camera woman. 2. Now on the third one. And the third one, stay down. Bring those feet together. 1, 2, 3. Don't allow your hips to move. Try and keep your hips exactly where they're at. And do 3 plank jacks. 1, 2, 3. And time. Woo! Perfect timing. Great job, guys. We're moving on to round 4. If you're not huffing and puffing, you need to speed it up. Quit holding back. Don't pace yourself. I would rather have you give me 4 amazing rounds and then stop, as opposed to just trying to do 8 rounds at a slow pace. Now, the next combination is going to look like this. It's going to be jab, cross, hook, cross, but this time we're going to slip towards the right because the last punch was that cross. So I slip right, then I come back with a right uppercut, left hook, right cross. All right, make your way back to your bag. We're going in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we're just starting with the jab, cross, hook, cross right now. Boom, 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 boom. Watch my hips when I do this. I want you to think about this like a dance. If I want to maximize the amount of power out of my strikes, I snap the hips towards my opponent, then my shoulder, then my fist comes out. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. And again, if you want to add some intensity, sidestep. Boom, 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 boom. Sidestep. If you're new, just focus on good form. Good, good, good. Good, now let's go ahead and add on to that. So we have our jab, our cross, our hook, and our cross. Now I'm going to slip right, right shoulder goes back, left shoulder comes up to protect my jaw. Right shoulder is in the perfect spot to do a right uppercut, left hook, right cross. Looks like this on the bag. Jab, cross, hook, cross, slip right, right uppercut, left hook, right cross. Boom, 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 slip. Snap those hips every time. here we go. We're in round 4, so we're gonna do 4 of everything. It looks like this, 4 air squats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right from there, go into 4 sprawls. Get back up in that fighting stance. Feet are wide. On the 4th one, stay down, put your feet together, turn that into push-ups. From there, plank jacks. We have a little bit of time left, total of 10 seconds, straight punches. And time. Nice job.